Yes, I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love.
Do it. Oh my gosh, you cleaned your room.
Yeah, I changed that.
You're always changing your room up.
Why are you hanging up your pictures? Because I like my family.
That's her 5th grade teacher. That's her best friend.
This is me on my field trip to Family Fun Zone. This is on my 10th birthday.
Now your birthday is next month.
May 31st.
And how old you gonna be?
I'm gonna be.
When's your birthday?
I'm gonna be 9 on July 6th.
Girl's getting big.
That's my uncle. That's my cousin. That's me right there. And these are my other 2 cousins.
Yeah.
I forgot what we were doing.
I think it was 4th of July or something.
No, we just
Oh my God, Curly's face.
This is me right here. And this is me with my other best friends.
You guys are silly. Yeah. And this is my daughter. The one I was dancing in the intro. Thank you, Kayla, for that.
No, you thought it okay. No. That laugh.
That sounds like your laugh.
Exactly, that's what I said.
It sounds like your laugh.
Nope. Oh, here goes the mother to my niece, my sister Brittany. Look at her hair, guys. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you her hair. She did this all by herself. Oh, look at that.
Look bad.
No, it looks good.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, and she did her daughter's hair too. Look all you want, child. Yeah. You know.
I wanna make you dance like you never danced before, and I wanna hold you like I never did. And lately I learned that a little love won't kill you, no, no.
It's this guy's birthday. This is my man, y'all. He just woke up. Good morning, randomly fam. It's early, about 7:30 in the morning. I'm gonna take this 7:24. I'm gonna take her to school or to the bus. She takes the bus every morning. And I think today is gonna be filled with I got dishes to do, laundry to do. You saw me take out the dog this morning. Probably take them for a walk later. And yeah, everything will be time lapse, and I know people like that. So stick around, stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy.
I wanna make you dance like you never danced before.
That's it, Randomly Fam. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like this video and tune in on the next video.
Tune in.
Woo!
Yes, I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love.